What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Etard Adventures, getting ready to take you on another epic adventure. We're heading over to Bubs' house to pick him up in the KLX. We're going to take it up to Signal Mountain and do some hill climbs and do some trail riding to test out these new T-bolt clutches. So next time you see me, it'll be loading Bubs' bike up in the back and us heading up to the trail. We just got done doing our 5K burnout challenge here on the edge of the bluff. We're gonna get back to the truck, get loaded up and get home, get edited on this video. Tune in to next time. Peace.